This is my 2018 Hyundai Accent. This has been a great car. I bought it in August of 2018. That's right. There is something parked out here in this parking garage. I'm sure you all know what kind of car I drive. I drive an old Cadillac. But as we walk out here, wonder whose car that is right there. That's right, this is my new car. It's 2018 Hyundai Accent. I got this just, I think, 2 days ago. I've been working so much I can't figure out one day to the next, but this right here is my new car. And it has been from New York State to the Golden Gate and everywhere in between. I've made many happy memories with this car, seen the whole country with this car, and met up with some good friends with this car. But now, this is going to be the final ride because I am selling this car because I just bought a new 2024 Toyota Prius. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this final look at my 2018 Hyundai Accent. I got this car back in 2018, and this has been an absolutely fantastic car. However, a couple days ago, I got a new car, a 2024 Prius. So this is going to be a final look at my 2018 Hyundai Accent. It's about 20 degrees Fahrenheit, so we're going to go ahead and get inside and start this car up and let it get warm. And we're going to take it on a final ride. Before we go anywhere, we're just going to take a look over this interior. I used to run Uber in this car, so the back seat's gotten a little bit torn up. As you know, this car has a 6-speed manual transmission. We're going to go and start the car. Always starts right up. As you know, this car has power windows. A little bit slow in the cold. A little bit slow in the cold. This is the horn, and it's got an AM/FM Bluetooth radio, manual climate control, and here is the glove box. This has been a fantastic car, so I'm going to miss my manual transmission. So let's take a little drive. We are in my backyard, so here we go. It is so cold out here today. We're not going to take a very long drive because I just got called to work.
On screen or scan your monthly. Welcome. Please Please proceed into the lot.
So here we are for a final time in this car up on the top level of the Elmwood Park garage, and over there you can see Mill Mountain. I drove this car for 112,000. By the time I get it back home, it'll be about 775 miles. Take one last look around this car. It has held up very well. We'll get a look at the engine. There's the engine. Sounds very healthy. We'll look in the trunk. It's got a big trunk, and yes, the trunk is kind of dirty. So yeah, Haley, this has been a good ride. I'm gonna miss you, but we're gonna have some nice adventures in my new car, and this car is going to one of my co-workers. So speaking of work, I have to head there in a few minutes. So now at this point, we're gonna pull off the license plates, and these are gonna be transferred to my new car. So Haley, this has been a great ride, and I hope you guys have enjoyed all the fun we've had in this car over the past few years. So there we go. These plates are going to my new car. Hope you enjoyed it. That'll be it. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.